Hey Fest fanatics! Ready to turn those festive vibes into cash flow? Let's dive into some money-making ideas that'll have you jingling all the way to the bank. Like and follow TimelyBills for more interesting videos on money and finance. Personalize the present. Turn ordinary gifts into extraordinary treasures with a touch of customization. Engrave heartfelt messages on keepsakes, embroider quirky designs on apparel, or curate themed gift boxes with hidden surprises. Let your creativity run wild and make every gift a unique expression of festive cheer. Theme it up. Bundle up your services like a festive feast, offering home decor and catering combos for a complete festive makeover. Host themed events that immerse people in the festival spirit, like cooking classes with traditional delicacies or dance workshops with festive choreography. Digital delights. Create exclusive festival-themed digital goodies. Think exclusive graphics, emojis and videos or interactive printables with a festive twist. Gamify the experience with quizzes and challenges that'll have everyone buzzing with excitement. Workshop wonders. Organize workshops or online classes that tap into the festival spirit. Partner with local businesses like bakeries, art galleries and gift shops to offer discounts or promotions for attendees. Host themed competitions or contests to add a dash of excitement and generate buzz. Fashion fiesta. Design and sell festival-themed apparel and accessories that capture the essence of the celebration. Offer limited edition collections or personalized designs for a premium touch. Host fashion shows or pop-up events to showcase your festive flair. Capture the memories. Capture the festive spirit with your photography and videography packages. Enhance your event with props, photo booths, and costumes for a unique and memorable experience. Artsy aspirations. Craft and sell festival-themed art, with live demos, custom options. Turn your passion into profit and spread festive cheer. Download the app now.